Hey, what's up, Stellar Holder? This is live price prediction. You watching ABS technical channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you any last hour. Please subscribe ABS technical. Just 6% people subscribe my channel. Why are you not subscribe my channel? Please click the subscribe button. Just complete my 2k subscribe. Okay, so this is live price prediction of last 1 hour. You can see here this is last 1 hour result just, and you can see here the change absolutely very bad. You can see here in the graph they are going down, they are going down. So I don't know why they are going down. This is just selling time. Just sell it, or you can see here the profit is absolutely good. You can see here 0.3652 US dollar, absolutely good, not bad. But this is going down, this is going down. This is just selling time. Just sell it, they are going down. So let's see the last 2 hour result, and the last 1 hour they are also going down. But if we check out the last 2 hour result, in the last 2 hour result they are going down. You can see here, and the graph, first of all, this is going down, and here, so they are go down, just selling time. So let's see here the change. As you can see here, minus 0.44%. This is very bad, this is not good. And let's check it out the last 4 hour result. Please subscribe. Okay, so please subscribe. Oh my goodness, Stellar is absolutely going down. You can check it out. This is very high going down. This is very highly going down, so very speed. You can see here this is going down, so this is not good. You can see here the change as minus 6%. This is not good, this is very bad, this is very bad. This is not a profit, so you just sell it. Okay, you just sell it. Otherwise you can see here the result. This is a profit. You can see here not $1 US. This is not $1 US, not half US dollar. This is very bad, this is very bad. So please just subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I updating you any hour. Okay, for latest update press the bell icon also. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.